There are other ways to create interest and get your career going. One is via, the social networking site like MySpace or Facebook. Other ways are through YouTube. If you can make a wacky video that can garner some attention in some way, shape, or form, these labels and companies have people scouring the web looking for new talent. If you can build a big list of friends and show a lot of activity on your MySpace page, and people like the couple of songs that you have there, this too can create some interest and have the labels take a good look. Like a band, like an act like Secondhand Serenade out of California got signed by Daniel Glass in this business a couple of months back, based on the fact that he had a tremendous amount of friends. And Danny Glass's people, found him on the web and liked the music.